In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off keyboard backlight on Mac. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And let's say, you don't want the light on anymore. It's also going to save some battery as well. So all you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and click on the top left where it has the Apple icon, and then you're going to see System Settings as one of the options. Now, while you're in general, you're going to see a lot of different things, but if you just scroll down the left, one of the options that you're going to see is keyboard. Go ahead and click on it, and then as you can see, you're going to see keyboard brightness as one of the options, but you're also going to see adjust keyboard brightness in low light. So you can have this on or off if you want it to configure automatically, but if you want to change your keyboard brightness, then all you got to do is switch this around. Like, let's say I wanted to do this, but if I want to turn it off entirely, just switch it all the way to the bottom, and then the keyboard light is going to be completely turned off like so. And if I want to, have it on sometimes, but I can turn it off after like a certain period of time, I could also do that as well, which is going to save me some battery. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.